Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We shall see what this is in a second. You guys can check out their back to school sales. Prime Day sales coming up again. So they got a bunch of sales going on now. And this is coming from JavisCam. Ooh, we got one of those spy cameras. I didn't like how they put the label. They just shipped it like this. So it's all good though. Small size, Wi-Fi convenience, cloud service, night vision, all that good stuff we need. Protect us from the bad guys. Hopefully that never happens, but you know, if you need an extra eye behind the shed or anywhere in your house, inside your home, these are nice cameras to pick up right now, especially with the sales going on. But good thing this was stickered onto the plastic. So here we go. Pet cam, mini cam, live cam, motion detection, night vision, mini little dude. And we got a cloud, Wi-Fi, rechargeable, wide angle, motion, night vision. So that means I have to grab my tablet. Oh, this is easy. Bada boom. We'll see what's inside here. Probably the mounting bracket or the USB cable. So JavisCam, definitely check these guys out and see what other cameras they have to offer besides this one. Here is the camera. Oh, make sure you take this sticker off. Here we go. That's nice. Super lightweight. Definitely launch it. Oops. There's a QR code, probably going to scan. There's a TF card, USB on and off, and reset. Off cam. It's nice. See? Boom. Like I said, if you get a new puppies, you can have it in that room. Especially your kids' room. Especially now with schools around the corner. You can always spy on them. Making sure they're doing their homework, not playing Fortnite. You know, all that good stuff that I don't have to deal with. So, here we go. We got the screws, the bracket. You could just mount it anywhere. Here's a little mounting bracket sticker. You can just pop it in. Swivel. Yep. So you could just screw it. These two holes right there. And just take that. You can have it like putting in a closet or somewhere hidden. So really cool. USB, good enough size cord for your needs. Protection. And you can always run a power bank to it, or, you know, some kind of contraption you guys make at home. Whatever it might be. So there's going to be an app you're going to have to download, which is a safe app. Definitely long enough. And it's called free app U-Box. I think I got one already set up on my tablet. Hold on. Yep, I already got that downloaded right there, U-Box. So like I said, it's very easy to set up. You can hide these anywhere. Maybe if you have a B&B's, you could do. So you got one camera already online. I'm not sure where that's at actually. Let's go spy on somebody. Gonna make sure it's somewhere. I'm not sure where, but we'll find it. And now to add a camera, click on top, set up Wi-Fi device, or you could set up 4G. We'll do Wi-Fi. I got really good Wi-Fi. Oh, I gotta power it on. Make sure you power it on. There we go. We got a blue light flashing. That's a good thing. Device. My home. Let me switch password. I think this will work. Give me 1 second. Just entering my password right now. I gotta switch. Hold on. Here we go. It's gonna make that noise, and you're gonna do. There we go. Yep. Congratulations. So let's go do that for about, a few seconds. And we are online. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. It's really clear. Portable, no wires. No wires needed. But for charging, you can have the USB on it at all times. It all depends on where you put it. But the battery life should be a really good one. Definitely check the description. Features, settings. Always check the settings. There we go. So we got a bunch of stuff here. You can rechange name of the device, store management, cloud video, or memory card, whatever you want to call it. Image flip, night vision mode is going to be night vision mode. Sync time, cloud time, 60 hertz. You can always do the firmware upgrades and stuff like that, so make sure you're always up to date with the latest. Image flip, we don't need to do that. LED is on. Sync time is good. Activity, high. You can change it to medium, lower. And you'll get notifications on your tablet or your iPhone or your smartphone or your Android. Either or. Cloud, you could change time in 30 seconds. See, firmware update. It's up to date. That's a good thing. Hello. There's a night vision mode. Hello. Hello. And you can change your voices. Hello. I gotta turn it up. Hello. Oh. Oh, whoa. Hello. 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 You can switch it to this. Hello. Hello. Going out again. Okay. That's enough of that. And you can flip it. Like I said, this is night vision mode. It's really good. Single or HD. Definitely got to keep it on HD. And motion, if this pops up, you can change the brightness. Do it to the max. But yeah, simple, easy cam. Not too difficult at all to install. And like I said, it's got to do the wires, the mount. And the mounting is easy to do. Just got to line it up. See the two slots? The two slots there. You heard the click? Here we go. And you can just adjust. It's out of hand. Here we go. So really cool. If you guys are looking for a new security cam, spy cam, James Bond type technology, this is the way to go. Especially for a small business. You want to protect your funds. This would be a great way to protect your stuff. You don't have to tell people. You can just record them. There we go. Catch your employees stealing. See them. Lights. And some high power stuff. Night vision's great. Upside down. Round and round. Maybe you can even have it on your car as extra security. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend. See you in the next video.